Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you have a Kia Optima, you're trying to find where the fuse for the alarm system is located. Stay with us, we'll explain about that. Also we will explain something super important guys, that if you don't do it you can damage actually your electrical system, computer module, something super important. Make sure you stay until the end. These guys should work on Kia Optima guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here, check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So if you come inside the vehicle next to the foot where we can see that fuse box, okay, right here, remove that cover and that's where the fuses are. So what we did guys, okay, actually we showed you where that fuse box is located. We took a picture so we can zoom in a little bit and show you where the fuses are located. Otherwise it's impossible through a hole that big to put the camera in my hand and light at the same time to show you the fuses clearly. Also on the back side of the cover right here, what we did, we printed it so we can show you with a great detail guys, okay, the fuses, okay, so you can see as well everything corresponds to what we have here. Now when you guys removing the alarm fuse or any fuse, I would recommend to always disconnect the car battery, because you can otherwise, okay, damage things. Another thing, it really matters on these modern vehicles which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, what could happen? You can damage your engine, computer, other modules, computers, electrical system. We did that mistake in the past. It cost us practically guys $2,000. So we made a video which battery terminal you're supposed to disconnect and reconnect first, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. So with that being said, let's explain now which fuse you need to check guys. If you come right here to the very right row and you come 1, 2, 3, that 7.5 amp fuse, this is known as a start fuse. That's the fuse for the alarm guys system, the alarm system right here. Check that fuse, that will be the one that, okay, most likely is bad if you have problems with your alarm. Also when you open the engine compartment fuse box, you have a fuse puller that you can use, okay, you can see right here, okay, to actually remove and replace the fuses. You have some spare fuses that you can use, and also guys, okay, we have a special video that explains how to practically test the fuse in just a few seconds. Check it out, super helpful information. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.